Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we would like to introduce ourselves to you. My name is Dwi Izki Aiza,
and I'm Chandra Wahyu Nur Pratiba Azhara.
We are from Mandela Madrasah Alia Negeri 1 of Lamongan. Here we would like to present our innovation with the title Natural Preservatives of Tongkol Fish, Eutinus affinis, from garlic peel powder waste, Allium sativum L, and kaffir lime leaf, Citrus dislictici, to increase shelf life economically. Tongkol fish can be damaged or rot. In fact, not a few people prefer to use other artificial substances that are actually prohibited from being used food preservatives,
such as borax, and most of the use of formalin.
Tongkol fish is an economically important type of seawater fish. This fish is mostly consumed fresh, frozen, or made into canned fish. Tongkol fish production in 2013 in a Java Sea reached 9.45 tons, which is 6.2% of national production. So that Tongkol fish is a commodity that is easily contaminated with spoilage due to the presence of pathogenic activity found in Tongkol fish. Then it must be handled properly in order to obtain quality Tongkol fish.
According to research studies, the production of kaffir lime leaf at the farm level is estimated at 0.1 kg per year per plant, with a harvest cycle after 6 months. Kaffir lime leaf is a plant that grows a lot in the Lamongan area and is usually a cooking ingredient by the community. The active compounds contained in kaffir lime leaf are citronellol 80%, the rest is citronellol 10%, nerol 5%, and lemonia 5%, which are antimicrobial active compounds.
According to research from the Ministry of Agriculture, the average garlic production in Indonesia is 15,000 to 20,000 tons per year. Every year, Indonesia imports about 500 tons of garlic per year. Indonesian garlic production in 2016 increased 4.22% to 2,115,000 tons. Not only that, garlic peel waste population in Indonesia is also very large. Garlic peel waste has active compounds such as antifungal, antibacterial, antimicrobial, and acts as a natural preservatives.
From our research on the problem at hand, we innovate to make natural preservative which is environmentally friendly, and the result of this research in the innovation of natural preservative for Tongkol fish made for kaffir lime leaf and garlic peel powder waste.
From this background, we decided on two problem statements, namely 1. What are the stages of making Tongkol fish natural preservatives from a combination of kaffir lime leaves and garlic peel waste? 2. How effective is the natural preservation of Tongkol fish from the combination of kaffir lime leaf and garlic peel waste?
Why garlic peel powder waste and kaffir lime leaf is natural preservatives for Tongkol fish? We have three reasons. Firstly, waste of garlic peel and kaffir lime leaf is easy to obtain in any area and is available in large quantities. So, let the use of this natural resource as a great opportunity to be processed into natural preservatives. Second, relate to the population of Tongkol fish that is easy to decompose and bacteria grow quickly during the improper starch process. And thirdly, garlic peel and kaffir lime leaf have very strong antimicrobial potential to prevent spoilage and extend the shelf life of Tongkol fish communities.
In this study, we carried out several steps to make natural preservatives from waste of garlic peel and kaffir lime leaves. First, sorting garlic peel waste and sorting kaffir lime leaves. Secondly, start drying garlic peel powder and kaffir lime leaves and then arrange on a baking set. Then, put in the oven at 40 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Third, step smoothing into a blender. After that, measure it with a scale. After measuring, mix garlic peel waste and kaffir lime leaves. Then add salt, tapioca flour, and enough water. And step last, application natural preservatives in Tongkol fish. Then put it in a basin and close it tightly. To know the result of its development, we must always review every day.
We made 6 samples for our research. Sample 1, with extraction of garlic peel 0% and kaffir lime leaf 100%. Sample 2, with extraction of garlic peel 75% and kaffir lime leaf 25%. Sample 3, with extraction of garlic peel 50% and kaffir lime leaf 50%. Sample 4, with extraction of garlic peel 25% and kaffir lime leaf 75%. Sample 5, with extraction of garlic peel 100% and kaffir lime leaf 0%. And for sample 6, without tetmol.
We are doing several tests for each sample like color, aroma, and texture parameters. We test the indicator for 7 days because in general tongkol fish is not preserved will not last so long from the experimental data. The longest surviving tongkol fish is sample 3 with the ratio is 50 grams of garlic peel, 50 grams of kaffir lime leaves, 10 grams of salt, 20 grams of tapioca flour, and enough water. Of all the samples that received the best treatment, namely sample 3, because its composition was balanced, so that the content of flavonoids and saponins in kaffir lime leaves and garlic peel can inhibit the growth of bacteria in tongkol fish.
The mechanism of antibacterial substance is flavonoids. The depression of hydroxyl groups by using interference with the permeability of fungi cell membranes, change in organic components, and nutrient transport resulting in toxic effects on fungi. Meanwhile, the mechanism of action of vitamin C is a free radical chain-breaking antioxidant produced during metabolism after physical activity and can inhibit bacterial growth. The conclusion of our research that the waste of garlic peel and kaffir lime leaves contains flavonoid compounds that play a role in self-defense against bacteria, so that tongkol fish that received the extraction of kaffir lime leaves and garlic peel powder weight were more resistant to incursion with spoilage microbes. So, the result of all samples that get the best treatment is sample 3, with comparison of kaffir lime leaves and garlic peel is 50 to 50, because it can make shelf-life of tongkol fish more longer.
That's all our team's presentation. We believe that our innovation is beneficial and can add economic value. Thank you very much for your nice attention. The last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.